me Jennifer.
Me Vanessa.
And today
We are trying out 2 slime kits. From the same brand.
Okay, can I show you guys mine first? So mine is this slime kit with blue dye, as you can tell in the background, as with 2 clear glue bottles. It comes with some scents, as you can tell, strawberry, and I'm so excited, blueberry, and some bowls and some containers for your slime. Let's get jamming, baby.
Alright.
Oh wait, hers.
Next is mine, and
Here, take over the
it comes with 2 bottles of clear glue, glitter, mixing tools, a solution, borax solution, and okay. So let's get onto it. Okay.
And an activator, I think. Yeah, an activator, it says.
So when we snap, all the things will be laid out. And also, wait, I want to show you that. Okay, then.
Okay, so let's see what ingredients and let's see if we're really surprised by it, because we've done one like this. They're pretty cool. I'm so glad that I'm going to do a scented one. I've done scents before. Oh yeah, you guys already know we've done scents. It's on YouTube. I need to open that. Oh my gosh, the struggle's working.
Oh no, something.
Oh, that is adorable. What the heck? Look at her spoon. Look at the what the heck, girl? That is.
Yes, they come with caps.
Can I show Mom this? Can you just open my cardboard lid? Don't actually get all the things out of it.
Okay, got it. Just have to open it. Oh no. Alright guys, so meanwhile, I'm just gonna show you guys how. Oh, never mind.
Okay, so yeah, I showed my mom.
It's so hard.
She said, can you guys not lose them? They're so cute because they are so cute.
They are.
OMG.
Okay,
It's just a pencil. I don't care really.
let's try to open yours.
We've already been spending 2 minutes. Please. Okay, thank you.
So, instructions.
Oh, that's a lot of lids. That's a lot of caps.
So I got instructions, glitters, and a spoon. That's all. I'm shaking.
Okay. I got this bowl,
little set.
some paint.
Jennifer, I have an idea. We do it separately. Like you show yours how you make yours, and then I show mine how I make mine.
Okay, let's do rock paper scissors too. Oh, white glue. Okay, it doesn't all come with all clear, so.
There. Oh, that's cool.
Wait, can we just make them together? I like doing it together.
Oh, okay then.
No, it doesn't come with any clear glue for mine.
Aw, dang it.
Sucks, dude. A slime activator and white glue.
Well, that is a pretty big bottle.
That's
like,
true.
glue, to be honest. So it's so cool. It comes with 2 containers.
Okay, let's start jamming, guys.
Yeah. Let's start jamming. All right.
So here's my
I'm gonna
first
follow
one.
the instructions.
I'm not. I'm gonna show them how they come with this.
To go right blue. Okay, make blue glitter by mix. I'm just gonna do this the way I want it. So first I'm gonna pour in the glue like she did. So I only got 2 clear glues, so can't use white.
Where are my scents for mine?
What? Your scents?
Yeah, my scents.
The slime activator.
Are these do these smell or something? Or are they like
Oh,
paint?
check.
Jennifer, that's the wrong way.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
that smells so good.
That
Oh
smells
my
dang
gosh.
good. That reminds me of the last time we did it.
I know those. They smell exactly like that. Maybe we didn't know that, and it just.
Oh
yeah.
No wonder. Okay, so I've got my things. I'm pretty
So,
impressed by this, Lucky she has clean.
Mommy, I'm shaking.
Okay,
Okay, I'm sorry.
So I'm gonna do my strawberry one first. That smells so nice. Okay, that's so good.
Alright, we're not doing this way. We're doing the old-fashioned.
We're gonna put way more salt.
It's so thick. It's so thick.
I'm putting in like that whole strawberry touch, guys, just because.
Oh
a
my
lot of strawberry scent.
You're doing blueberry and strawberry, right?
Yep. Of course, that's why I have more glue left in my thing.
Alright, guys. We're just going to pour in all my glue.
This is so
Put
cool.
the cap back on.
I'm a little bit disappointed that I don't have clear glue, but I think Fanny, don't say it for me.
I know.
It actually looks
That
cool.
smells so great.
Hey, at least I have sense though.
Yeah,
That
I know,
is
right?
good.
So guys, next I'm gonna use my blue
This
paint.
is weird. Why is it already activating? Look. I didn't even have nothing.
So thick.
What the frick? Vanessa!
Yeah.
Is this activated? Well, look how thick it is. And you saw me not putting any activator.
Oh my gosh, it's so.
What happened? Okay, I'm not being
pretty
mad,
cool.
but I'm just saying, like, what the heck?
I can't get my paint out.
Wait.
Got it.
Girl, that is solid.
Yeah, mine paints don't. My paints don't stuff. So guys, I'm just gonna use the popsicle stick that it came with to like stir it up, you know.
Okay, so guys, it was already thick from the beginning, which is makes it a lot easier.
So let's.
gonna
Okay, guys,
just
I'm gonna add in this, and you guys probably can't see because
It's not that big because I wanted to left over for my blueberry one, but hey, they're not really meant to be
Guys,
extremely big because those containers aren't all themselves extremely big.
Okay, let's mix it with this.
Guys, I love this.
It's already activating, y'all.
Look,
Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
this is so nice.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Okay,
Put it in your container.
yep, that's what I'm gonna do. So fam, where can I put this in? Fits perfectly in there.
It's so nice. I like this. Alright guys, this is so cute. And we're going to add in
And
some
there's
silver.
my first slime.
So
And
guys,
it's
first I'm
adorable.
gonna add in some silver glitter.
So I'm pretty sure this blueberry one will be bigger. I think so.
So guys,
Oh, it looks hollow. I'm shaking.
holla!
How?
Like Lab Rat said.
Oh, this
The
is more glue than
montage.
the last one. I think no. Oh, I think it's even. Oh, this one might have like a
Measurement.
spoonful.
Guys, look at how much glitter that
Okay,
is.
so I'm on to my next
There
slime.
is, and you know
guys.
what that is.
That is thick glue. Why does it feel like it's already activating the moment I put it
I
in
know,
here?
right?
Like that is quite creepy. Not gonna lie. See? Oh wait. Oh, it's not thick anymore. Oh.
Okay,
Oh, I think that paint has activator for some reason. Ooh, it's super thin right now, but let's see when the magical paint
Wait.
happens.
It is.
Okay.
thin. Okay. Go ahead.
Let me see.
Go.
See if magic happens. No way.
No way, dude.
No way. Look!
Oh my god.
That proves that, you know, that proves a lot. No, it actually does though. It proves that this paint has my paint has activated.
Yeah, this totally does. Cause look, I'm adding a little bit more paint just because I don't want it to be that
Yeah,
sparkly.
These
and
paints
look-
have activators, so
Oh, look at that.
I'm
Okay.
not add too much.
So guys, next in my
Like, I'm
box
being serious.
sleeve,
Ooh, I love this. I love this. I love this
I'm
color.
gonna get my activator.
Oh, look at
so
this smell.
we can get it out.
It smells like really nice. Look at my color. It's so beautiful.
Oh yeah, that is pretty.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna
Beautiful, pretty.
Alright, guys.
I can't. Oh, they always have sales over.
Mine don't.
If
Yeah, mine don't have no
these
sales.
doesn't have sales over much.
Mine don't have
These-
sales. Ours are different. I don't know why.
We're
They're
trying out 2 different ones just in case you guys didn't notice.
I think they all know this because we.
Yeah, because we did 2 separate things. If we didn't
Why is there 2 plates? Oh wait, I was thinking this. There is.
there is 2 plates.
Yes, there is. Yes.
Well, got mine out. There we go.
And I got mine out. I did not notice that. These
I know, me
people
too.
blow your mind. First the paint, then 2. Oh my gosh, these people just blow
Oh,
your
this
mind.
is so nice. Oh, this is so cute. I don't know why. I think slime is cute for some reason.
Oh, some, yeah, most of them.
Alright, I need a little bit more. Let's see here. No,
This
that's
is
good, that's good.
nice. This is really nice. Look.
Oh, that's so clicky. Gosh, it's so cute.
So I have my
Okay.
purple one. I mean, purple, pink.
Purple one.
Pink.
Wait, there's no more.
What the?
Oh, no.
I was
Okay, I was like, wait, there's no more slime activator.
That
Put
was
it down here.
crazy.
We're like, wait, what?
How would you have no
Did
more
it
slime?
disappear? And I barely had
Guys,
it in. I was like, did it disappear?
Guys, this is really nice, but they're pretty small.
Nice.
They have to be small enough to fit into the container.
Yeah, so.
So you kind of have to go
So-
good on the sides, or else you're gonna have to get your own container.
Yeah, sadly, and we don't want to do that. So,
And also, mine is actually perfect because both of mine fit in containers. I'm pretty sure. I have
because
2
you
more.
used half, so it's probably even.
Yeah, look,
So
look.
they
Tell me
both
this
fit
ain't
in.
even. Like, look.
That's totally even.
I know that's cool, huh?
Okay, guys, I'm kneading mine a bit. And
So I have a cat right here. A cat.
I'm
Oh,
using
snap.
a full bottle for each slime, which means I'm only going to be able to do
Guys,
2.
look. And then I have my other one. And these are extremely cute, guys. Come on, Vanessa, you need to catch up, girl.
I'm always behind.
You are. No offense, but
Yeah, I know.
so I have a little bit of extra glue. I don't really care about that, really. A little bit, like, maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't think so. I'll just say, I don't know. Probably not. I don't know. I'm gonna do some ASMR. Catch up, though. Hurry up, girl.
Okay, I'm going.
So I'm gonna show you some ASMR with my
Whatever.
blueberry slime.
Just
This smells extremely nice. Blueberry scents. OMG. You are got me to the shit. You got me shit, blueberry scents. So, blueberry is like really nice. And it's like very stretchy. She's very thick. She's very glossy. She is just there, baby. This slime is actually very nice, and it is like pretty glossy. It is not
Alright, here's mine.
big. You could say that. They are not big at all. Like at all. Because you need to use half proportion when you make this one. So
Yeah.
and also you want them to fit in there. Oh, that's
in the
nice. Can you
container.
feel mine?
Yeah.
She's pretty thick.
Oh my
I
gosh,
know.
this is so nice.
Thank you. This is nice too.
Little
Sorry,
bit. Got a little bit of glitter. Oh, this smells so nice and good.
Thank you. Guys, this is like real nice. Okay, Vanessa, you need to start catching
I'm
up, girl.
gonna start catching up. That got me distracted.
Okay. So now I'm gonna do because I want to be doing
Little
this
glue
ASMR.
slime container. I love it. I love it.
And we are gonna put that back in its
Next, I'm not using
container.
paints. I'm just using plain old glue. And
You
But
can let that like
colors.
sit or something. Oh wait, no. Oh guys,
oh no, the seal fell inside the
guys, why does your have seal and mine have like no seals?
bowl.
Guys, this one strawberry. They smell. Oh well, this one has a little bit of a different scent, but rather than that, they smell pretty
Pretty.
good. This is a pink strawberry slime. Okay, I only have like 3 more minutes, so I want this to go on YouTube.
Wait. Okay, here we go. Because I'm gonna add in my glitter real quick.
Her bowl is like very clear. And there's slime in there because there's a bubble in there.
I don't know what I'm gonna do, y'all. Fridge. I got all over the
Oh
place.
my gosh, I'm so glad
What I was so scared of.
didn't get in my slime.
I know, right? You're lucky.
I know.
I'm kidding. Right, guys, I
Now
got this.
and I want just a plain
Use
like
this little
pink
spoon.
slime. Oh my gosh, that is ridiculous.
Is that enough?
You just put some activator in my slime,
Sorry.
dude. Can you watch
Sorry,
out?
man.
She
Uh,
thinks
it's
you
gonna
think
have to
it's
do.
too much. It's really too much. Does paint come with that one?
No, it came with 2, but I don't want to use it.
Oh yeah, that's true.
And also I used some of the second one.
Okay, 2 more minutes for you, girl.
Alright guys, this one came out too hard.
Hey, don't you have some more glue? You can do a repeat.
No.
Oh, how much glue bottles does it come with? 2. You used 2 glue bottles.
Yeah.
That is an outrage, dude. I thought you only used 1. Because they look so small.
I know, right?
That's not good. I don't like that at all, actually.
Well, 1 for each slime.
Look, but no, it's not fair, guys. Look, clear versus white. Like, let's be real. Like, color, there is a difference here. Not just that, but look, mine looks much bigger. But look how small it is still. Oh, my sister's is not very nice. Just saying.
At all.
We're gonna pause this because we only have 1 minute.